The real brain rot isn't what you think it is. The real brain rot is the root of most of your problems, and it is the main reason why your mental health is going down on a slippery slope. The type of brain rot that I want to talk about has been with us since the dawn of humanity. And can you guess what it is? It's thinking. We are absolutely addicted to thinking. And this addiction has negative effects which are far reaching. Let's think about this together. We are always on a lookout for more entertaining, more stimulating TikTok, reel to scroll through. And a reel is basically, or a TikTok, whatever short form content is, it's a combination of moving images with some words in the background. It could be monologue or a dialogue, whatever. And we scroll through them hoping to find something which is gonna incite a new kind of emotion within us. Fun, adventure, motivation, sadness, even anger. Now notice that the same process is going through within your own head. You're always on a lookout for a new thought, jumping from one thought to another. And what is a thought? A moving image with some words in the background, monologue or a dialogue. Some thoughts incite sadness within us, some thoughts incite worry in us, some thoughts incite excitement in us. So the same process of scrolling is going through our own heads. So if you truly think about it, this is the real brain rot. And the scrolling addiction that we have is just an outer manifestation of this same addiction. So by this logic, what addiction do we have to first overcome? Correct. It's the addiction of thoughts. What am I gonna wear tomorrow? What am I gonna eat tomorrow? Someone said that to me yesterday. I'm upset about it. And we're always going through this reel of never-ending chain of thoughts. And the greatest disadvantage that this addiction has is that it has taken away your ability to pay attention to something. And why is that bad? It's because your ability to enjoy life is directly correlated to how much of your attention can be sustained in your present moment right now. If you cannot sustain your attention in your present moment, you cannot enjoy life. You cannot enjoy anything in your life. Your life will be bland and it will be in grayscale. You won't feel the colors, you won't feel the happiness or emotions or the small, beautiful, magical moments that life is offering to us all the time. If you're not even here, if you're lost in your thoughts, then you're gonna miss the beautiful emotions, even if it's sadness or even if it's nervousness. Every emotion has its beauty. When you're enjoying a new meal, when there are loved ones around you, if you're not even there, if you're not paying attention to it and you're lost in your thoughts, then you're not gonna retrieve the joy from it. Our inability to enjoy this moment right now is the reason why we are always on a lookout for something to consume. Scrolling, binge eating, any kind of overconsumption is just a symptom of lack of present moment in your life. If you're not present, if you're not living in the moment, then you're just gonna consume. You're gonna fill that void with more consumption, and more consumption. Being lost in your thoughts, over consuming your thoughts. This is the real brain rot, living in future or living in the past. So let's begin a small initiation for you in the present moment, shall we? Now I want you to pay your full attention to this video or whatever that's happening around you. Or maybe even pay attention to your breath, to your body. Just be present in the moment. You're not allowed to scroll through comments or open up the description box and see what's next. You're not allowed to do that unless you want to click away from this video. Then that's understandable. But for a few seconds, I'm gonna be silent and let's see for how long can you keep your attention sustained in this moment. Well, that was really brief. I hope you were able to sustain your attention for just a few seconds. That's more than enough for now. If you want to go deeper into this, then you absolutely need a meditation practice. For you, I have created a meditation guide. You can find the link in the description box of this video. I really want you to lean into this present moment practice. When you do this practice, when you meditate, you'll realize that this is the kind of cognitive rest that you have been needing all your life. And you'll finally get that when you try to piece in through present moment everything that you need to meditate, everything that you need to know, everything that you need to practice is going to be available in the guide. There's also a 30-day habit tracker in it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next video.